I'm working on a 2002 Cavalier. I'm pretty much doing all the AC components. I had to pull this headlight to get to the condenser, and also those lower bolts on this latch assembly, and a couple bolts up there. I've already installed the new compressor. This is the old condenser. And there's where that screen is. I've already kind of pulled the old one up. I've pulled these two lines, the low side and the high side, or large and big line. This is a large line back at the firewall and on the passenger side, and then going over towards the driver's side just a few inches is where the small line hooks in, and of course the accumulator hooks in here, and then the large line and small line both run through this general area. This is the compressor. There's one bolt on the back near the top. Then there's one on each side at the top. So 3 bolts total hold that compressor in. And of course there's the tensioner to release the serpentine belt. And then of course you pull this panel on the passenger front behind the wheel.